Hey, let's talk about making right-hand turns. My blinkers are 100 feet, a half a block. I'm slowing down. I'm setting my vehicle up for a smooth turn. It is very slick and icy here, so if you hit the brakes, you're gonna slide. So I'm slowing down. I look to the left, I look to the right. I'm gonna go ahead and yield because of the yellow light. I'm safe. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my turn. That's the difference between a pass and a fail. And then I'm turning into the nearest lane. I turn out hand over hand. We are in snow mode. Oil pressure is 47, oil temperature is 197, battery voltage is 14.3. You need to know information on your vehicle. That is the safest thing, and you always want to be aware. So I'm looking ahead. It is 18 degrees, the temperature is dropping, so this means we have black ice. So I'm scanning, looking around, keeping good space. I see the snow plow up there, so we're gonna go ahead and go to this local restaurant. My blinkers on, 100 feet, a half a block. You notice I'm checking my mirrors because you don't want to be rear-ended. And then I'm gonna have a really easy slowdown and just take my time and turn hand over hand. There are two methods. You can do hand to hand, and you can tell this is a lot of work, or there's hand to hand. So the National Safety Highway Transportation, they recommend when you make turns, slow, low speed turns, turn hand over hand. I want to say thank you. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. If you really enjoy it, subscribe to my channel.